Instagram followers flagged for review, meaning and how to remove it. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So whenever we see Instagram followers flagged for review, what that means is that there's an error message. So while looking at the Instagram follower list, you can simply go for Instagram application on a device and you can tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and simply select on the followers list. So this issue generally happens when Instagram detects spam or irrelevant accounts. Note that this does not affect every Instagram account flagged for review error. So it only appears on Instagram profiles that have more than 1,000 followers. So this is most likely to be like celebrities or influencers, creators, and so on. Now, fixing this error is actually simple. So for that, what you simply need to do is tap on the followers list over here, that as we have already done, and you'll be able to see the flagged for review accounts over here. Now, as you can see, we do not have more than, or we do not have 1,000 followers, so we do not have flag for review option. So, but if you have it, you'll be seeing a list of accounts that are flagged, and you can simply then go through the list, use the remove button to get rid of flagged followers. Alternatively, you can also tap and remove all option on the top to get rid of all of them at once. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.